Dehua, Redco Industry and Trading Limited, founded in 2017, is located in Dehua County, Fujian Province, which is a famous producing area of contemporary Chinese porcelain and enjoys the reputation of hometown of Chinese folk, ceramic, art. After years of development, the company has become a research and development, design, production, sales, after-sales service as one of the professional manufacturers. Our factory area is nearly 25,000 square meters, and the production capacity reaches 640-foot-high containers per year. Over the years, we have been paying attention to basic management and enterprise culture construction, promoting modern management. iPlant introduced a number of automatic machines, improved the production efficiency, can achieve uninterrupted automatic production to ensure the supervision of semi-finished products, improve the qualified rate. We actively participate in public welfare undertakings and have been awarded the title of Caring Enterprise by Dehua Municipal Government. The company to energy saving, consumption reduction, pollution reduction, efficiency as the core of business. We are one of the few enterprises in Dehua City to obtain the National Pollutant Discharge Permit. With years of efforts and services, our company has attracted customers from all over the world. Our products are sold like hotcakes by many e-commerce sellers. Many brand customers choose us as their long-term suppliers. We adhere to the win-win cooperation concept and committed to providing quality professional services.